नवयुवक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated the Swami Ramanand Tirth Marathwada University Nanded. Welcome and good morning to all the students of BSc TY Zoology subject. Today we give the idea about structure and syllabus. They are effective from the June 2018. In the zoology, also 2 semester they are included, this semester 5th and semester 6th. In the semester 6th, 2 papers they are included, that is the paper number 12, ecology and zoography. They carrying the 15 marks. 10 is the internal plus 40 is external. Also the paper number 13A, pisciculture. They are also carrying the 50 marks, 10 mark internal plus 40 external. There are also the 50 marks. In also the semester 6th, there are also included the 2 paper. Paper number 14, ethology, biometry and bioinformatics. They are also carrying the 50 marks. 10 is the internal plus 40 is external. Also in this paper number 15, different specialization they are included. We select the paper number 15A, aquaculture. They are also carrying the 50 marks. Out of this, 10 is the internal plus 40 is the external. Also the practicals, they are included the syllabus. Practical paper number is the 14, ethology, biometry and bioinformatics. And also the practical paper number is the 17 is the pisciculture, aquaculture. They are also based on the aquaculture and pisciculture paper. They are also the 40 marks external plus internal 10 marks. That is also the 50 marks. There are the 4 paper is the theory, 2 paper is the practical. And their total is the different form, that is 110 is the internal and 290 is the external. One by one we study about the paper number semester 5th, paper number 12, ecology and zoography. First we see, that is there are the also the 50 marks, 10 mark is the internal and 40 mark is the external. In this paper number 12, ecology and zoography, they included the 4 units. Unit number 1 is based on ecology, introduction and scope of ecology, that is the definition of ecology, branches of ecology, different we study about the ecology. Second topic is the introduction to the ecosystem. Ecosystem is the interaction between the biotics factor and abiotics factor. In this also we detail study about the component of ecosystem, that is the abiotic component like the light, temperature, water. Biotics component like the producer, consumer and decomposer. Second bit is the types of ecosystem. There are the different types of ecosystem like the aquatic ecosystem, terrestrial ecosystem. In the aquatic ecosystem, for example, is the pond ecosystem. In the terrestrial ecosystem is the desert ecosystem. Also the food chain, food web, ecological pyramids, energy flow in the ecosystem, different sub-bits we are studied in this topic. Third topic is the biogeochemical cycle. In this we study about the gaseous cycle like oxygen cycle, sedimentary cycle in this sulfur cycle. Fourth topic is the spheres of earth. In this we study about the atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere,